Afternoon, everybody. It's John. Today is Monday, August the 5th, and it's day 121 of my walk. 121 of 151. It's got 30 days left. I've been walking across Germany for about a month and a half, and I have seen millions of acres of wheat. And a lot of it's been harvested now, but this is my first opportunity right now to actually have a combine coming up close enough to me that I can take a video. So I'm going to capture the wheat harvest here in Germany. There must be millions and millions of acres of wheat in Germany. So here you go. All right, I've been waiting for days to see that. I can see it in the distance, but not up close. So I've got about a mile and a half here to go to Puttgarden. It's my last stop in Germany, my last town. Tomorrow morning early, I'm going to take the about a 30 or 45 minute, I believe it is, ferry ride across to the first town in Denmark. It'll be my second ferry ride on this journey from Athens, and then head towards Copenhagen, where I'll be by, I believe, Friday or so of this week. So just checking in from the road. Everything's good, and the farthest north in Germany you can get. Talk to everybody later. Bye-bye.